Time traveling with adverbs. Mastering adverbs of time in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going on a journey through time, but not in a science fiction way. We're talking about adverbs of time. These important components of language help us understand when something happens. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use these adverbs in your own sentences, making your English more fluent and natural. So, let's dive in. Adverbs of time are words that tell us when something happens. They give us more information about the verb in a sentence. Some common examples include words like yesterday, tomorrow, now, later, and soon. Here's how they work in a sentence. I'll do my homework later. She visited her grandmother yesterday. See how these adverbs of time give us a clear picture of when the action happened or will happen. That's their magic. Now that you know what they are, let's talk about where to put them. Adverbs of time are quite flexible. They can go at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. However, the most common place is at the end. Here's an example. I'll see you tomorrow. End. Tomorrow, I'll see you. Beginning. I'll, tomorrow, see you. Middle. Note. This is less common and can sound formal or poetic. Remember, the position can change the emphasis in a sentence. Use this to express exactly what you mean. It's time to put your knowledge into action. Creating your own sentences is a great way to practice. Try to use a variety of adverbs of time and put them in different positions. Here are some examples to inspire you. Later, we will go to the cinema. I'm meeting my friend tomorrow. She will finish the project soon. Don't forget, the more you practice, the more natural it will become. So, keep trying. Before we finish, let's have a quick recap. Adverbs of time tell us when something happens. They can be placed at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence, though they're most commonly found at the end. Creating your own sentences with adverbs of time is an excellent way to practice. That's all for today, folks. Hopefully, you've learned a lot about adverbs of time and feel more confident using them in your English sentences. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every step you take makes you better. Keep practicing and never stop learning. Until next time, happy learning.